Welcome to this video on using the Read Shelf and Inventory workflow in the Digby mobile app. In this video, we'll see how to access a Read Shelf and Inventory session, designate items as having been successfully inventoried, flag items that may have issues to be resolved, and finally we'll see how to export the shelf reading report. In the following demonstration, we will focus on the combined Read Shelf and Inventory workflow, which is recommended by OCLC. While each individual action, Read Shelf and Inventory items, can be accomplished independently of each other, the combined workflow accomplishes both simultaneously. To begin, tap Read Shelf from the Digby home screen. Next, choose the Read Shelf and Inventory session type. As mentioned, this option allows you to both generate and verify shelf order, as well as update item inventory information at the same time. Locate an area of the library collection to be read and inventoried. Scan the first item on the shelf using your device camera, or enter the barcode manually in the Type or Scan Barcode field. Once the item is scanned, a shelf list appears on the screen. This list displays the nearby items in call number order, so you can compare what should be on the shelf with what is physically present. As you move along the shelf, locate each item and confirm its presence by selecting the checkmark directly under the item in the list. When an item is confirmed, it is marked as inventoried and its details are updated. In this workflow, the system automatically updates the item's last inventory date and inventory count as seen in the Item Details screen of the WorldShare circulation interface. If an item is missing, out of order, or has another issue, you can flag that issue during the process by tapping the exclamation mark and selecting the appropriate designation from the pop-up menu: damaged, misshelved, outdated, or missing. These issues are captured for later review in shelf reading reports. You may also add a note to an item, which will appear on the shelf reading report exported at the end of the session. Continue evaluating items along the shelf to build an accurate inventory and verify shelf order, and as you work, Digby helps you identify discrepancies and ensures records are updated in real time. When finished, tap the Share button at the top of the screen to export your shelf reading and inventory report as desired. You can also complete these workflows individually, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Choose the Read Shelf Only option when your goal is to review shelf order. This workflow helps you identify items that may be missing or out of place by comparing what's on the shelf to what's expected. It's important to note, it does not add or update inventory data. Use this option when you want to validate accuracy and order on the shelf. Choose inventory items when your goal is to confirm that items have been seen. This workflow allows you to scan items and update their inventory information, helping you track when items were last accounted for. However, it does not provide a shelf list or help you review shelf order and accuracy. Use this option when you need to record item presence, not verify placement. Users of WorldShare circulation are encouraged to visit the OCLC Community Center at community.oclc.org. Here, you can connect with fellow circulation users, ask questions, and contribute ideas. For further information on WorldShare circulation, please visit help.oclc.org. For any queries not answered by documentation, please contact OCLC support by clicking the Contact Us link found at the top of the page. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.